Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know what day it is, but I just know it's gonna be a bomb video. If you saw in the thumbnail, guys, you know it's a Shein haul. And before I even get started with this video, make sure you subscribe and just know that your girl is doing a giveaway. So make sure you head to video 1 so you know how to join in on this big old giveaway. I also will be throwing in like my own eyeshadow palette and lipstick for you guys because I feel like I want to add to it some more. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this video started. So I just decided that I wanted to revamp my wardrobe. I feel like my wardrobe process was very college girl, was very childish, was very like, you know, teen-ish. And I was just like, I'm 23. Let's do away with that, and I'm a mom, and I just feel like I need to dive more into my fashion. Like, I love clothes. Like, okay, first and foremost, I love food, I love makeup, I love traveling, and I love clothes, and I love purses. And I just feel like, you know what, let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm working with this new wardrobe. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and say this because I'm not really gonna show it to you guys on camera because I noticed I just didn't feel the need to really show you guys my sweatpants on camera because I realized for the bulk of that, of like my haul too, because I love sweatpants. If you know me, you know I did sports back in high school, so I'm a big sweatpants, be comfortable type of girl. But I am going to show you guys this. I didn't make a video of it, but I'm going to show you guys this. So excuse the ruffling. So first things first, I bought berets, and I bought these two, gray and black, simply because I just felt like they can elevate a look. And I'm really into berets. I'm really into like headbands, berets, and berets right now. I don't know why. Oh, and bucket hats. I don't really know why, but that's just my thing right now. And I just feel like it definitely takes your look from like casual to chic. And I definitely feel like it can take you from like a, oh, you know, I'm just out running errands to, you know, I can do the brunch in the Hamptons type of thing. And I just really feel like they're really cute, and I just feel like they're in right now. As far as the sweatpants, one of them you're not going to see because I'm actually wearing right now. It's a black pair. Here's one of them. They're this color. And then my other ones, ooh, don't let me get my look. Okay, I actually like these ones a lot because I don't know why, but this chocolate pair is screaming to me, and I'm just in love with this chocolate pair right now. So I got these ones. People hate when I say these ones, but that's just, why don't you just say these, or why don't you just say I got those, or why don't you just say like this one, because it's these ones. And then I also got, you know, because my guys ain't just gonna have sweatpants season by themselves, you know, I'm gonna have myself booty loose and everything. Yes, but I got my gray ones for me too, and then like I said, I have a black pair on, so they came with 4. But let's go ahead and get into some of the other outfits that I have. So first things first of all, when I put this outfit together, I was in love with it because it definitely gave me schoolgirl vibes, and I just really loved how like I was able to do like the whole monochrome brown with this. So the actual items that I got from Shein was the vest, the wool or cotton vest, and then I got the brown leather pants from Shein. I definitely just felt like, you know, let me add on like a button down, and let me add on these white shoes and this white purse. I definitely feel like it took my look over the top. I definitely feel like you can use this look for any occasion, whether it's a business meeting, whether you are a college student, or if you're going to do brunch, or if you're going to do dinner. I definitely feel like it's a all-around multi-purpose outfit. I don't really feel like one is either or. You can definitely take it from day to night. And the makeup, as you can see, is the same makeup I got on right now. I definitely feel like it's a suitable outfit for any time of the day. Other than that, I really feel like this outfit is screaming A1. So the wool on it is very light, it's not heavy, it definitely feels good. Another thing that I think I noticed is I do like the leather pants. On the inside, they're not leather, they're like a plush fabric, so it makes it easier for you to pull up. They're nice and fitted, but not to the point to where you can't breathe. I definitely feel like they go with your curves. Me, I'm small, I'm 5'2", and I weigh about 135, so I did have to pull my pants up quite a few times. I chose like a medium though, but I definitely felt like they were perfect for this look. The next outfit we have, I think it's my favorite because, you know, first of all, flannel is in. You know what time it is? It is December. Flannel is always going to be in, and I just had to get it because it was green. So I got the flannel and the bodysuit from Shein. I feel like that flannel is so nice and comfortable. It's nice and heavy set, especially for the winter time, so you don't feel like, oh, a whole bunch of air is going to get in, I'm going to be cold. No, it definitely warms you up. And I think I got like I want to say a small, because when I read the size chart, they say it's true to size, and I did see that it was oversized. I didn't want to get anything else to the floor, obviously. And the bodysuit itself is a thin fabric. It stretches. It does also hug your curves. I definitely feel like you would want to wear a jacket with this in the winter time, because you don't want to be cold, because it will get through there. It comes with a zipper, so you can, like, you know, zip it up if you want to show some cleavage, or if you want to put it, you know, another way. Or me, the way I did it in this video, because I'm kind of slow at times, I actually wore it backwards, not thinking like, oh, the zipper goes in the front. So I went ahead and just turned it around, and either way it still worked. I also paired it with this gold belt that I felt like was just going to be top notch with it. Like, I felt like the outfit was missing something, maybe just because of the purse that I was holding in this, but I definitely feel like that gold belt really just like set it off for me. But overall, I would say the flannel jacket or shirt, oversized shirt, is definitely a must. It's really cute and it's really comfy. I don't know if they have any more colors, but I will be dropping everything down in the description box for you as far as, you know, what all they have. Bodysuit, the bodysuit, I believe I got a small or medium. I might got a medium. I'm not really too sure, guys. I'm gonna have to go back in those, and I will drop those in the comments. I don't really remember the sizes, because I was trying to make sure I didn't get anything too small, because after I had a baby I gained some weight. And we're on to the next outfit. So if you don't know, now you know. Houndstooth is in, sweetie. It's been in, and then it's crazy because the school I went to, which was the University of Alabama, Houndstooth was always around me, and I should be like, what is this pattern? It's so cute. I actually have a Houndstooth umbrella, and I feel, see, now I'm about to pair it with this outfit. So the reason why I wore two different shoes is because I was trying to figure out, you know, short boot or thigh high boot or knee high boot, and I was just trying to figure out. I was just like, I'm not too sure. For my style per se, I would say the ankle boot, but my husband was like, do the thigh high boot, which they both are cute, honestly. I guess it feels like what look exactly you're trying to create here. But overall, I definitely feel like the ankle boot was my fave. The dress itself was kind of tight around the arms, but I think that's maybe because I should have went up a size. But for the most part, I love the way it fit. It was form-fitting and it wasn't too short. I like, you know, something that's just gonna cup it up, but that dress is a must. Next on the list, we have this nice long cute green dress. First of all, I definitely feel like this is like an evening dress, and you can go out on a date night with it. If you don't know, my favorite color is green. Green is my all-time favorite color, so that's why you're gonna see it appear a few times in this video. I definitely feel like this dress, you can pair it with a cute headband, or you could put on, like, you know, a cute jean jacket with it. Me personally, I don't feel like it needs anything else. I might have thrown like a leather jacket over it per se myself, but other than that, I don't really feel like this dress needs much. I feel like minimal accessories are nice, like a nice necklace, a nice bracelet, or a watch. I have an ankle bracelet, but you probably can't tell. And then just my shoes are like the biggest accessory too, because like I said, I'm a shoe head, specifically heels, so that's the main thing. But that dress is self-explanatory. It's not really much to it. It's nice and form-fitting. It's really cute, and I definitely feel like it is worth getting because it has like this nice stretch fabric material, and it's just so comfy. It's not itchy or anything. I definitely love this dress. And last but not least, we also have this gray dress. So this gray dress, I was going to pair it with a beret, the gray one that I showed you guys in the beginning, but my hair is up and I just didn't feel like taking it down for the video. It's definitely, it gives me like CEO vibes. I definitely feel like I would wear this to like a breakfast though. I really wouldn't wear this at night. I would wear this to a breakfast. It's a daytime look for me. It's like if somebody had like a day party, I would definitely wear this. Pair it with some nice shoes, pair it with a nice purse, minimal accessories again. Me personally, because I feel like the shoulders and the wrist are an accessory, I really wouldn't put on like a crazy coat. Like I would want to show this so you would see it, so maybe like a nice scarf to drape over somewhere. But I definitely feel like this dress is so soft. It's so form. A lot of the clothes on this here was form-fitting, but Shein, y'all speak aloud, because my husband also actually like got some clothes for my husband too in here, and they're actually very nice. And I'm gonna have him do like a haul itself, and I'll upload it here too so you guys can see it. not on this video but on another video. But I definitely feel like you guys should definitely hit up Shein for your winter looks. All of these looks will be in the description box. As far as the clothes, the shoes is a different story because I got that from somewhere else, and that's my go-to shoe store. I don't think I go anywhere else for shoes. But other than that, like, Shein did it for me. Like, I've been trying to revamp my wardrobe, and I definitely feel like this was it. I definitely feel like it gave me grown woman. Out of all the outfits, honestly, let me see which one would be my fave. I don't really even think I would have a fave, simply because they all like gave me a different feel, a different vibe. It made me feel like a different person every time I put it on. The first outfit that you guys saw, I definitely feel like that gave me businesswoman. And then my next one is something that you would probably see me wear more often than all the other looks, just because I am a casual girl. I like to take casual and elevate it. When I do get dressed up, that's nice too, but I really like my casual comfy looks. I'm a mom, and I just like to, dang, my phone's loud. I'm a mom, and I just like to stay comfortable with majority of my looks. But other than that, that's just like my gist. But guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I will see you guys in the next Vlogmas. I can't wait to talk to you guys, because that's actually going to be a story time. Yes, I'm telling you ahead of time because I just feel like, why not? But thank you for tuning in. Make sure you are subscribed to your girl's channel. Make sure you like, comment, all of that good stuff. Let me know what you did and didn't like in this fashion haul. It's not gonna make me change my clothes though, because I love those clothes. Let me know what you guys want to see more of. If you have any questions about anything that I wore, please drop in the comments, because I will be sharing everything with you guys. So yeah.